Hi, welcome back to Cook Love Dil Se. Today we'll be making creamy matar mushroom in a super easy way. Just add 1 teaspoon of oil in a hot kadhai, a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now add the sliced onions. Saute for a little while and then add the chopped tomatoes. You don't have to cut them finely as we'll be making a smooth paste when the raw smell goes. In a fresh pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add the smooth paste of tomatoes and onion. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you already haven't done it and hit the bell icon. Now add a little cumin powder and a pinch of turmeric. Mix it and add the mushrooms and the green peas. Again mix well. Then add a teaspoon of red chilli powder and a cup of water. Cover and cook for around 15 minutes. In between, add salt and check if you need more water. Yes, it looks ready. So take 1 teaspoon of Kasuri methi, rub it between your palms and add it. Add a few sliced green chillies if you like it a little hot. Give it a mix and reduce the heat before adding the fresh cream. Add around 4 tablespoons of fresh cream. Mix it and turn off the heat. It's ready now. Serve it hot with pulao or paratha. Do hit the like and share buttons and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future mouth-watering recipes. I have added the measurements of the ingredients in the description box below. Do take a look and comment on how you like the recipe. Thanks.